Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll learn how to fade out audio in DaVinci Resolve 18, easy way to fade out audio, easy DaVinci Resolve tutorial. So for us to be able to begin, just open DaVinci Resolve onto your device and open the project when you want to go ahead and add in a fade out onto the audio. So you have your clip already added with its audio. So we have detached the audio, so it will automatically detach once you add that. So here, we're gonna click onto the audio part in here, and then right after to add in a fade out, we're gonna head here on effects. Simply click on effects and click on media pool so that you could view the whole toolbox or effects in here. So right after, once you have opened this, you'll have to click on audio transitions. Right after we have this one, the crossfade 0 decibels. So we're gonna go ahead and hold this, and then we're gonna go ahead and drag this onto the bottom part of the audio just like that. So as you can see, it should be added just like that. We'll have to click on audio in here, and then you could go ahead and drag this as well as per your liking. So we're gonna go ahead and drag this where you want to go ahead and start the fade out of your audio, just like that. So as you can see, we have here the fade in and fade out. We could go ahead and tweak settings as per your liking. And once you're done, you could go ahead and do a preview on how your audio should now sound like. And that is how easy you could add in a fade out effect in DaVinci Resolve. If you think this has been helpful, then don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.